Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? It's a really great news for all of you, my brothers. To Polygon will wake up and starting moving upward now. I am so happy, my brothers, to see this, especially in last 24 hours, because I cannot expect this from this, my friend, from this coin to they will move upward and last 24 hours. But this is the reality, my brother. So I am so happy to see this, my brother. This time the change occur 0.44%, and I am so happy to see this. And what's the reason to they will wake up, especially in the start of month, every coin very badly falls down. But this time another Polygon, exactly one of the fastest coin to they will wake up and go in the moon now. Congratulations all holder with us to they will wake up. Yes, if you can check out, my friend, the price to 1.1 USD dollar is the latest price, and I hope the price will be increasing if a holder, my friend, starting holding and the coin is moving upward now. So let's see, holder, please don't do any mistake and be safe from the lost. I hope, my brother, they will be moving upward, so they will give you a very good profit. So please, my brother, just only you need to hold, and you absolutely you need to wait, my brother. So kindly, please, this is very needed now. So thanks for watching, Polygon holder. My prediction is completely positive, and you can see here on the chart. So that's mean, my brother, so they will move upward. So absolutely my prediction is going to be positive now. And my friend, my opinion is please hold it, don't sell it. Yeah, thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.